Okay, hello YouTube. I've got a 2005 Ford Escape here. What happened here was the customer had lost the keys to the vehicle, so we went ahead and put an all-new ignition lock cylinder in it, because the previous one had gotten drilled out prior to me seeing the vehicle, and put a new one in, a new used one, and got two new keys made to match that new lock cylinder. So what we're going to do today is try to get this programmed so we can get the vehicle to start. So if I turn the key to the on position, you can see that the PATS system here is not going to prove out, obviously, because we've got keys that are unfamiliar to the vehicle. So when you see the light flashing rapidly like that, that's an indication that the PATS system's not seeing a valid key. So what we'll do today is program the key using force scan, and I'll show you how that process goes. Sorry about the flickering screen. I forgot to get a screen capture program for this, so we'll just have to deal with it. Anyway, got force scan loaded up. We'll connect to the vehicle. Since this is the first time this vehicle has been plugged into my laptop here, it'll take a little bit to find all the modules. Okay, so we're in. Now we can go to configuration, actually service functions, which is right here, the wrench. Go to PATS programming and hit the play button. So we need to have two new keys, or new keys to the vehicle. Need to set the switch to high speed. So we will go to erase and program keys. And we need to have timed access, so I believe this is where it'll make us wait the 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so we have to wait 12 minutes for this to happen. As soon as the 12 minutes has elapsed, I'll turn the camera back on and we'll continue from there. Okay, we're back. It's been 12 minutes and this screen just popped up. Basically, it's going to erase any known keys to the system. So we need to have two separate PATS keys, which we do, to start this process. Okay, so to do this, we need to turn the ignition off, wait 10 seconds, cycle key 1 of the ignition from off to run for at least 3. Within 5 seconds, put the second key in, go from off to run for at least 3 seconds, and then repeat with any other keys that we have. So we'll go ahead and start this now. So this is key number 1. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off for 10 seconds. Okay, there's 10 seconds. We turn the ignition back to the on position for 3. We've got the other key on the dash there, so I'm getting ready to turn this to the opposition, remove it, and stick the second key in. Okay, so from here, go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on. So far it's looking good. The PATS light over here has turned off, which says that the system has proved itself. So we're going to go return back to force scan. Click OK. Okay, and it says service procedure has completed successfully. So from here I'm going to cycle the key one more time and see if the system proves out with key number 2. Okay, it appears that it has. So I'm going to step on the clutch and try to crank the engine over. Alright, looks like you've got a starter solenoid problem or something. But the system is proving out, which is a good thing. I'll go ahead and grab the second key. And looks like this one's proving out as well. But we've got some other issues with the starting system on this vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to cycle the key in the off position. Wait a second, and then while monitoring the PATS light here, we'll cycle the key back to the on position. Okay, the system has proved out. I'm going to go ahead and try to give this thing a crank and see if it fires up. So key number 1 works.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Putting key number 2 in. So both keys work. So we have a successful repair. We have access to the vehicle again with 2 new keys that are programmed to the PATS system. The vehicle starts, and now the customer can have her vehicle back. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I try to get a couple videos like this up, once a month or so. And if you have any suggestions as to what kind of videos you'd like to see, please leave that in the comment section below. So anyway, hope you all are having a good day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.